Alright, I got this old deck lid off of a 67 GT car. And I bought the whole deck lid for 30 bucks. But I'm after this piece of trim. They sell this piece of trim on eBay for $500. So we're going to put this on my 68. This trim, 68 GTs. There's a package to some 270s, I guess you could get it. So we're gonna put this on my car, on the trunk lid. So I'm gonna get it popped off here. There's bolts in the inside, and you take them out from in there, and then the trim piece comes up. All right, I've got it unbolted. All those trim pieces, they go inside here and slide around, bolt on. We're not going to put it back. I'm not going to drill my fiberglass, and probably the fiberglass is so thick that these probably wouldn't work anyway. So they make 3M makes a very high bond adhesive tape, and that's what we're going to use. We're going to use the 3M tape. But before that, we're going to clean it up a little bit and get it repainted. All right, I got this Eagle One Everdol. It's made for wheels, to shine your wheels up. You just take a little piece of it. You don't need a lot. This stuff's worth its weight in gold. We're going to get a little piece of it off here. And you can see what it does. So just rub it a little bit. And we're going to shine it up. See it coming off there? See how easy it is? Alright, I'm going to wipe it down and get it all shined up now, but imagine using two hands doing that. Let me find my little piece here so you can see. And look at that. That's how much work it took. We'll get her all shined up now, and then we'll work on laying out for the color. Alright, I've taped off the center and I've got it painted black. We'll come in here and do the Dodge, the Dodge letters are all black now. So we'll tape that off, and then I got some silver. We'll put that center part back painted silver like it was. And then we'll tape off for the outside black. Alright, so I've taken masking tape, or painter's tape or whatever, and I've come in with an X-Acto knife. And I've got and then I sanded that panel. So now we're ready to put it in silver. Alright, I use this 3M high bond tape here. And I cut strips in that and put it on the back of that piece of trim. And this stuff's pretty good. They say they make supercars instead of bolts nowadays. They just stick it together with this stuff. Alright, I've had it taped on there overnight now. So I put that on there last night, and it should have held it in place. And that 3 bond should have grabbed for now by sure. And then I also got, see how that thing's on there. I also got that Dodge emblem on there too. Alright, there she is, all finished out. So I think it makes the back of the car, it has been needing that for a while there. So I got that trim piece put on. I got the one there, the Dodge emblem. So picked that up for 30 bucks and a little bit of spray paint and elbow grease. I don't think it turned out too bad. So if you like this kind of stuff, check back in. Have a nice day.